Today on Thursday, April 23rd, we're not only going to see our piano chord worksheet, which has two types of chords, but we're also going to see snippets of two different videos that show you majors and minors, and you can hear both majors and minors. That's what today is all about. I've already told you a couple times this week that this is just a skill that I would teach in the classroom, but not something that we would test or grade. So if you do play piano or you're wanting to play piano, this will help you unlock that idea of minor chords. So you need your piano chord worksheet, and the whole first page is major chords. Major chords, just like when we stack chords, they skip a letter of the musical alphabet. They each contain 3 pitches, 3 chord tones. And the half-step pattern is 4 half steps up to find the second pitch, and then 3 more half steps to find the third pitch. So I've gone ahead and pulled our first 2 chords out into Paint, and then I'm going to test you a little bit on the third one. So basically what we're doing is we've said if a chord starts on A, use the letter A, skip the letter B, use the letter C, skip the letter D, use the letter E. And so we can see here that we are in A major. Let me go ahead and make this red. And in A major, we're going to start on A. So we're going to go here, found an A, let's use this one. So first we're going up 4 half steps. So we're going to go ahead and bounce these individually. So we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've landed right here on, is it a C sharp or a D flat? So we started on use the letter A. Oh, I don't want to write that. I want to type that. Use the letter A, skip the letter B, and use the letter C. So we're gonna go ahead and use some kind of C. Now we have to choose between C sharp or D flat. That means we are stuck with C sharp as our answer. To find that next chord tone, we have to bounce up 3 half steps. So we're going to start here on C sharp, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3. We've landed on a white key. There's no question of what we have here. So we used A, skipped B, used C, happened to be C sharp, skipped D, and used E. So we have our 3 chord tones. And if we put all of these on the treble clef or the bass clef, they would make a nice stacked chord with that skip, skip. All right, D flat major. Let's go ahead and find, let's use this one. D, no. D flat, yes. We're first going up 4 half steps. Let me go ahead and write that. 4 half steps up, then we'll do the 3 half steps for the final step. All right. First 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've landed. There's no sharps and no flats. Is this what we expected? Let's see. Started on D flat. Use the letter D. Skip the letter E. Use the letter F. Yes, nice job. We're expecting to skip the letter G and use the letter A. So we could temporarily just think A of some kind. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Let's see what kind of A it is. We have to go 3 half steps up to find the last pitch. 1, 2, 3. G sharp or A flat are our options, and that means that A flat is our winner. I'm going to go back to our worksheet and see if you can do the third one without me. Your worksheet asks you for the F major chord. Remember, for a major chord, we first go up 4 half steps. I'm going to go ahead and pause here with you. Find F, count up 4. And now I'll show you with the mouse. We would go up 1, 2, 3, 4. We've landed on A. Now to find our next chord tone, we have F, A, and question mark. To find the last one in a major chord, we go up 3. So we start on A and we go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and we landed on C. That means F major, our 3 chord tones are F, A, and C. None of those have any sharps or flats this time. We landed on 3 white keys. The handy trick for our minor chords is it's the same numbers reversed. Let me go ahead and show you again. Major chords, here's what we've just done. The half step pattern is 4 half steps up to find the second pitch and 3 more half steps to find the third pitch. Get ready to reverse that. Minor chords. The half step pattern is 3 half steps up to find the second pitch, and then 4 more to find the third pitch. Take a look. Major chords, 4 and then 3. Now let's do the new style. Minor chords, 3 and then 4. Let's type it at the top. Ooh, let's make it red. 3 half steps, and then 4 half steps. Now this is because of a lot of music theory that's happening behind the minor and major chords. What's really happening to make them sound different is that the middle pitch is just going to be slightly lower for a minor chord. All right, let's see. We are in the key of E minor. Let's use this one, E, way down here. We are going up 3 half steps right now. 1, 2, 3. Ah, nice. I'm going to go ahead and write it E, and then G. Let's go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle it. Done. E, G, and B make an E minor chord. That was it. No sharps, no flats. Nice. G minor. Alrighty. We are expecting to use G, skip A, use B, skip C, and use D. Now for this one, I'm going to show you another way we can think of it. I'm going to put the letters here with those question marks to see if any sharps or flats happen to them, and then later we would take the question marks out. We are going up 3 and then 4. 1, 2, 3. We've landed on A sharp or B flat. It has to be the B flat. Let's circle it. Da-da-da! We're going up 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did anything happen to this letter? No, it's nice and normal. Let's just go ahead and, it's gonna look funny, but there you go. All right. So if you are feeling confused between the difference of major and minor, reread the sentences at the top of each page. Minor is going to be 3 half steps up to find your first missing pitch, and then 4 half steps. B flat minor, you're going to go up 3 and then 4. Pause here. Please do B flat minor. Make sure you start on B flat. And then I'll show you your answer. You should have your answer. You can always pause. You can always go back. You can always start this lesson at the beginning. In B flat, we start on B flat and we count 1, 2, 3. We have to skip the letter C. We can have no C of any kind because they are not a skip. That means that we are going to call this D flat. We're going to go up 4 now. We have a B flat and a D flat so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've landed on F. We use D flat, we skip the letter E, and we expect to use the letter F. Your answers are B flat, D flat, and F. This is really a paper that you need to print out. If you are struggling through and you're making your own piano keyboard, awesome. If you want to go back to, I believe it was week 2, and see that piano keyboard that we found online on musica.com, you can use that as well. So this is to help you know where to place your fingers and to say, am I playing a major chord or a minor chord? And now we're going to go ahead and explore the idea of, am I hearing a major chord or a minor chord? So I have a piano website for you and a guitar website for you, or video, not really website. And they are just super, super fast. So I'm going to pause here, show you them, try to slow them down, see how the audio quality goes, and I'll get right back to you.
Test number 1, major and minor triads. The C major scale. Minor triad, C minor. Major triad, E flat major. Minor triad, D minor. Minor triad, E minor. Minor triad, F minor. Major triad, D flat major. Minor triad, D minor. Minor triad, D sharp minor or E flat minor. Major triad, E major. Major triad, C major.